So in order to reinstall Microsoft OneDrive, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is open up our Windows Explorer. Once you've done this, you want to go ahead and click on this PC. Then you want to click on the drive with Windows installed to, which is usually your C drive. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the Windows folder. Then from here, you want to scroll down slightly. And you want to go ahead and find the file called syswow64 and open that up. However, if you're running a 32-bit operating system, you want to go ahead and open up System32. However, 90% of systems are now running 64-bit operating systems, so it's safe to assume that you are, and open up this folder here. Now in this folder, you want to go ahead and find the file called OneDrive. Now you could scroll through this looking for it, but it might take a very long time. So you want to go ahead and click on the search bar in the top right hand corner, and you want to go ahead and type in OneDrive. Once you've done that, it should pop up right here, and you want to go ahead and run the OneDrive setup application. So as soon as you open up the setup application, it's going to start installing OneDrive immediately. And once it's fully installed, the setup process is just going to disappear. And what you need to do now to complete the process is to restart your computer. So once you've restarted your computer, you just want to go ahead and open up the File Explorer again, and you'll notice that the new OneDrive tab has reappeared. Just click on that and it's going to prompt you to sign into your Microsoft OneDrive. Then you can go ahead and start using it like normal. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.